Everyone knows that money is important. But have you ever wondered how to educate your children on becoming financially literate and how to become financially free? That's what we're going to talk about today. How to set your kids up financially so that they're able to make the best financial decisions and they can pass it on to their children. Hi, I'm Olivia Kirk.
I'm Tim Urick. We're from Tier 1 Capital, and we're here to show you how to regain control of your money.
For the best advice on controlling your cash flow, be sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when we upload new videos twice every single week. We all know how taboo money talk is in the family unit. But if you want to break free financially, you're going to have these conversations. In our most recent YouTube video, we talk about creating generational wealth by teaching our children how to become financially literate. We'll see you over there.
Most families don't talk about money. That's why you'll see a situation where a parent, a father or a mother start a business and they're really good and really focused and they're making money and their children are spending that money. But nobody talks to the children about how to use money and what it actually means in their lives. But what we have found is the families that are successful generation after generation talk about money. They talk about keeping it in the family. You see, money has to flow. And it's real simple. It's either gonna flow away from you or it's gonna flow to you.
What better way to keep money in the family than have money flowing to you and less or as little as possible flowing away from you? This is why we talk so much about keeping control of your money, regaining the control of the finance function in your life for yourself, your family, and your business. Leave us a comment down below. How do you plan on setting your family up financially for generational wealth?
So it's real simple. You start policies on your children at whatever age they are right now. And you fund those policies to a level so that when those children graduate college, there's enough money in the policies to pay off their Stafford loans. $27,000. And if you're unfamiliar with Stafford loans, you get $5,500 freshman year, $6,500 sophomore year, $7,500 junior and senior year, $27,000. Now, here's where the program really shines. 6 months after your child graduates from college, in November of the year they graduate, they're gonna get their statements and coupons where they have to start paying a monthly payment over a 10-year period to pay off the Stafford loans. Now, in November of that year, they borrow against their cash value, pay off their Stafford loans in full, and now they still have the monthly payment. They redirect the payment back to their policy. And in so doing, in 10 years, actually it'll be less, be about 9.5 years, the policy loans are paid off. And at that point, your kid probably has somewhere in the neighborhood of $50,000 in their policy. In and of itself, maybe this doesn't mean much, but let's compare it to what their roommate is doing. The roommate got the same Stafford loans, $27,000. Their parents didn't set up a policy. So in November of the year they graduated, they got the statement from the Stafford loan, whether it was Sallie Mae or Fed loan, and now they're making that same monthly payment that your kid is making, but they're making it to Sallie Mae. Now, here's the deal. In 10 years, their loan's paid off. In 9.5 years, your kid's loan is paid off. In 10 years, they have no money. In 10 years, your kid has over $50,000 of cash. Whatever your child chooses to do, he or she can do because you had the foresight of number one, setting up the plan, and number two, teaching them to use the plan in a way that the money will always come back to them.
Not to mention the added benefit, the death benefit. After all, we are using life insurance policies that's guaranteed on that child's life. So should they become uninsurable down the line, they have guaranteed death benefit to pass on to their family.
But you see, it's not enough just to set up the policy. Teaching your child how to use the policy, that's the key, and that's where we could help you. We like to pass this information down from generation to generation. It's not enough in our eyes to set up you to be financially independent. We want to pass those traits down to the next generation. And more importantly, generations to come.
If you'd like to set your family up for financial freedom for generations to come, check out our website at tier1capital.com. Feel free to schedule your free strategy session where we could talk one-on-one about your specific situation. Also, if you like this video, be sure to check out these two. We picked them out special for you.
Thanks so much for watching our video. And remember, it's not how much money you make.
It's how much money you keep that really matters. We'll see you in the next one.